Alright guys, it's me again. Just thought I'd make a quick video. This is one of the locks I got from Germany yesterday. It says Burg on the front. 116/50. It's got this protector on there. Not exactly sure what it is. I'm thinking it's probably so somebody won't come with bolt cutters. Cut through there. Shim protector maybe, something like that. That works pretty good. Brand new lock. There's a bitting. Not too bad. I've opened it a few times already. Just the it looks like maybe there. I don't know too much about these locks, but looks like there might be a spool or something up front somewhere. It's kind of a pain in the ass because of the warding. Let's see if we can get it open. Oh, can you guys see okay? Oh. Hold on. How's that? You guys see okay? Let's see if I can keep my gorilla hands out of the way. How's that? Alright, so all the way to the back. Try and set some of these pins. See, the warding right there is what really gets in the way. Oh shit. Alright. Maybe I didn't close it right a minute ago because that was too fast. Okay. It's locked. Okay. Let's try it again. That was too fast. Maybe it wasn't completely set. What did I do? Okay. So, a little pressure. A little. You guys see okay? There's a pin that gives me a little counter rotation. I'm thinking maybe it's a spool, but I don't know. Do they put spools in these kinds of locks? I don't know. Alright guys, I think it's still a good lock. I like this little protector. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, there you have it. I got one more to go from my German collection. This one's going to be a little tougher. Look at the bitting on this one. And it's going to be a little tougher. Look at the wording, the keyway. Total craziness. But that's what makes it fun, right? Alright guys, thanks for watching, man.